Welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing interview questions of ServiceNow, service mapping and discovery. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this content helpful, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our question is, describe the purpose of ServiceNow Discovery IP fingerprinting. How is IP fingerprinting configured and in what scenario is it applied for identifying and mapping devices based on unique characteristics in network traffic? As a ServiceNow developer, your answer should be ServiceNow Discovery IP fingerprinting involves the configuration of settings to identify and map devices based on the unique characteristics in the network traffic. IP fingerprinting is configured through the platform and is applied in the scenario where organizations want to leverage network traffic analysis to make devices and map their relationships. This feature allows administrators to use patterns in network communication such as fingerprint to enhance the accuracy and depth of discovery, especially in case where traditional discovery methods may be limited. Our next question is, explain the role of ServiceNow Discovery Web Services Probes. How are web services probes configured and in what scenario are they applied for discovering and mapping dependencies in web servers? As a ServiceNow developer, your answer should be ServiceNow Discovery Web Services Probes are specialized probes designed for discovery and mapping dependencies in web services. These probes are configured through the platform and are applied in scenario where organizations use web services as a part of their IT infrastructure. Web services probes enable the platform to interact with the and collect information from web servers, ensuring the dependencies and relationship within the IT landscape are accurately represented in the service map. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certification, you can get the list of valid and updated question and answer from the link provided in the description. Our next question is, describe the purpose of ServiceNow Discovery Passive Discovery. How is the passive discovery configured? About in what scenario is it applied for capturing information about devices without actively probing them? As a ServiceNow developer, your answer should be ServiceNow Discovery Passive Discovery involves the configuration of settings to capture information about devices without actively probing them. Passive discovery is configured through the platform and is applied in the scenario where organizations want to collect information about devices without sending active probes or queries. This feature allows administrator to leverage passive monitoring or listening mechanism to capture data supporting a non-instructive and lightweight approach to discover in specific user cases. Moving to our next question, we have explained the concept of ServiceNow Discovery auto scaling. How does auto scaling contribute to dynamically adjusting the resources allocated to the discovery process based on demand? As a ServiceNow developer, your answer should be ServiceNow Discovery auto scaling involves the configuration of settings to dynamically adjust the resources allocated to the discovery process. On demand, auto scaling is configured to the platform and is applied in the scenario where organizations want to optimize resource utilization in response to fluctuation in volume of devices or changes in discovery requirement. This feature allows administrator to automatically scale up or down the resources allocated to discovery task, ensuring efficiency and performance in the environments with varying workloads. If you are preparing for any of the ServiceNow based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested question and answer from the link provided in the description.